Chapter 15. Understanding your customer, the psychology behind why people buy. If you want to make money online, you have to understand one thing above all else. Your business is not about you, it's about your customer. The better you understand them, the more effectively you can create products, write messages, and design experiences that make them want to buy from you. This is true whether you're selling physical products, digital products, services, or even ideas. Business, at its core, is about solving problems, fulfilling desires, or helping someone move from where they are now to where they want to be. And to do that, you need to get inside their head. A lot of beginners make the mistake of thinking about their customers in vague terms like women aged 25 to 40 or small business owners. While demographics like age, gender, and location can be useful, they don't tell you much about why people buy. What really matters is the psychology, their goals, frustrations, fears, and motivations. Two people who are both women aged 25 to 40 might have completely different needs. One could be looking for ways to grow her business, while the other wants tips for staying healthy as a new mom. You have to understand the specific situation and mindset of the people you're targeting. One of the most powerful ways to think about customers is in terms of problems and desires. Problems are things they want to fix, stop, or get rid of. Desires are things they want to achieve, gain, or feel. When you know exactly what problems your audience is struggling with and what desires are driving them, you can position your product or service as the bridge between the two. For example, if you're selling a project management tool, the problem might be, I'm overwhelmed and missing deadlines. The desire might be, I want to feel in control and finish projects on time. Your marketing should speak directly to both. Customers don't just buy with logic, they buy with emotion first, and then justify it with logic afterwards. This means that while facts, features, and prices matter, the emotional connection is often what closes the deal. People buy because they want to feel a certain way: confident, safe, respected, admired, relieved, in control, or inspired. If you can tap into those feelings in your messaging and branding, you'll have a much easier time winning customers over. To really understand your customer, you need to listen more than you talk. This means doing research, not just from behind a screen, but by actually engaging with your audience. Read reviews of similar products to see what people love and what they hate. Join online communities where your audience hangs out and watch what they talk about. Ask questions in forums, polls, or surveys. Pay attention to the exact words they use to describe their problems. Those words are gold for your marketing. Another important concept is the idea of awareness levels. Not every potential customer is in the same place when they encounter you. Some people are totally unaware they even have a problem. Others know they have a problem but don't know what the solution is. Some know the solution but don't know you exist. And a few know you and your solution but just need a final push to buy. Your job is to meet them where they are and guide them to the next step. Trying to sell immediately to someone who isn't ready will just push them away. But educating and building trust can move them closer to saying yes. You should also be aware of the objections that might stop someone from buying. These could be doubts about whether your product will work for them, concerns about price, worries about risk, or fear of making the wrong choice. The more you can address these objections up front with guarantees, social proof, case studies, or transparent explanations, the easier it is for them to feel confident in their decision. Understanding your customer isn't a one-time task. It's an ongoing process. Markets change, trends shift, and people's needs evolve. What works today might not work a year from now. That's why the most successful online businesses are constantly collecting feedback, testing ideas, and refining their offers to stay aligned with what their customers want. The closer you can get to seeing the world through your customers' eyes, the more powerful your business becomes. You'll stop wasting time guessing and start creating things people actually want. You'll know how to speak their language so your messages resonate instantly, and you'll be able to deliver experiences that not only make them buy once, but keep them coming back. In the end, your customers aren't just buying a product, they're buying a better version of themselves. If you can help them get there, you will never run out of business.